I just wanted to check in on everybody and hope you're doing well during the quarantine. I actually am here in Illinois with my parents. I grew up on a farm, so just wanted to show you what we've been up to. So first off, we have some baby piggies. Come here. Hi. Hello, hello. Hi, cutie pie. Here's your brother. So this is one of our little guys. He's about 2 weeks old. Can you say hi? It's okay. These cuties are about 2 months old. So they're a little bigger. Our chicken coop. Oh, what do you think you're doing? What? Oh, you stole the egg. Good morning. So it's a super exciting day. All the cows got out. There they are. Stinkers. My dad has them trained pretty well. This is our newest baby calf. Her name is Easter because she was born on Easter. There's Easter. Hi, good girl. Hi. Yeah. You say hello? Hi, Arthur. This is Arthur. This is Lizzie. It's a little too cold out today, but I'll show you where our bees live. So here's our bee house. Oh, yep, they're all inside their hives. All our bees. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Bye.